Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, here we are again at another classic car show, and we're at Corbridge in beautiful Northumberland. It's absolutely stunning here. So yeah, let's get on with this, guys. So these are moderners, the modern classics now are all starting to come in. All of these. Took it out of the time. We're all drum used to all that. It's quite windy today, guys, so apologies for the sound. Right guys, check this out. Really like this Pontiac GT37. Very nice, very nice. Love it. Love the colour as well. There's gold colour here. And then right guys, well, the weather's really taken a turn. It's quite cold today. My god, it was boiling yesterday, freezing cold today. But anyway, now the music stopped. I'm starting to get a bit of copyright now on my videos, so if I hear any background music, it's no good. So anyway, I'm gonna just go pick some really nice cars out here. I'm not gonna go around everything, I'm just gonna go around to the ones I really like. So anyway, I've seen a really nice Z28. Check this one out. Check this out, guys, and it's a genuine Z28 as well. It's not a clone. Guy imported it about 40 years ago. It's a California car.
Good morning.
Yeah, it's killer cool. And then take the Chevrolet Bel Air out. That's pretty cool as well. Listen to that. work. I really like the patina on that, that's pretty cool. It's nice that. The old bench seat. Cool. Let's check this Porsche out, guys. H-Reg 70. That's cool. Yeah, I like those older ones, the 912. That's cool. Carrera Barrett 4. Carrera 2, yeah. Oh, look at this. It's well sorted in there, guys. Nice colour. Yeah, really like that. Again, the old Porsches look so cool. The wooden ones don't really do it for me, guys, I'm sorry. But I'll go through them anyway. I know they're nice to drive, but GTS. They cost a fortune. Just don't do anything for me, guys. I know they're nice to drive, but sorry, Porsche guys. It's Porsche weekend as well, so I must like them off. There you go. So for you Porsche guys out there, Cayman GTS. Again, these are full of problems. Expensive. Just, I don't know. Yeah, driver's cars like. Though the wing on the back looks ridiculous. I'm not being funny, guys, but that just looks shit. It's not my thing at all. Nice car, but lose the spoiler. Doesn't look right. I mean, that's more subtle. So this is the Porsche Club, guys. That's a nice colour. Again, the wing looks ridiculous. But nice car. But if I had that, I'd take the wing off it. And end up killing myself. Yeah, look at that ugly BMW. God, they're hideous.
Does anybody think we should be here? That was the first
Retail mod factors. That's a really prepped 208. Peugeot. Check the racing car out, guys. That's pretty cool. Rothman's Racing. Check the Jag out, guys. Right colour as well. X150.
You don't like being on camera, do you?
Very nice.
I remember now.
Nice E-Type 80 guys. Look at it, British Racing Green, a very dark green. This is lovely. Very nice. Apologies for the sound quality guys, it's a bit windy here today. Check this out guys, it's a Ford. Very nice, look at the hood on it. It's a lovely colour. Check that out. Very nice guys, the old box on the back. Cool. Oh, that's a gorgeous 250 SL. I've filmed that before, guys. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. That's probably the best car here. Star of the show for me, guys and girls. Stunning. Right guys, that's the end of the show. It's been a beautiful day. The sun's come out again, which is so nice because it started off really cold, but it's kind of windy. So apologies for the sound quality. It's probably come over on the camera. So yeah, anyway, I've got some news for you guys shortly. I've had a bit of a bad week this week, but I'll let you guys know what's happened. So anyway, on that note, see you later.